Hey you guys, happy holidays. This is Henry from Blending with Henry. Let's take a look at your Vitamix holiday deal of the day. Hey you guys, if you like this video, please help me out by hitting the like button, subscribe, and tick the bell icon to get alerts for new videos. A while back, I did a video called My Vitamix Complete Kitchen, showing you guys all the supported containers that enhance the capabilities of your Vitamix. Now, not every accessory shown here is part of the container sale, but I'll be showing you the 32 ounce to the 64 ounce containers. December 7th through December 9th, there will be a 48-hour flash sale, and you guys should jump on this. Now, any full-size Vitamix container is $99.95 USD and $129.95 for Canada. Now that includes the 32-ounce wet and dry containers, the 48-ounce wet and dry, the air disc, and the 64-ounce containers. Now the 48-ounce stainless steel container is excluded because there's a special flash sale for it on the same day. Now up to $60 off, $149.95 USD and $199.95 for Canada. Now this is taken directly from my website holiday promos page, and the link is below the video for you guys to order. When ordering a second container, it's also a good idea to consider ordering another 64-ounce container. Now during a party, you may be using one container to create a soup, such as my herb-infused creamy sweet onion soup. Now in another 64-ounce container, you might be making drinks or even this fresh applesauce as you see me making here. While we're on the subject of 64-ounce containers, a second tall container is also a great idea. Now here, you're seeing my lemonade freeze drop recipe. The 48-ounce wet container is a favorite amongst many due to its size. Now it's great for making things like nut butters. Now in this case, my strawberry margarita as you see here. The 48-ounce dry container is what you need to make flour or milling spices. Now here I'm turning popcorn into cornmeal. Now you can create flour with many different grains and you get professional results. The air disc container is one of my most used because along with making foams and whips, I can make non-blended drinks such as my lime-infused lemonade. Now, not to forget the 32-ounce wet or dry containers, you guys. Now, these are compatible only with the Legacy and Classic Vitamix machines. They're really handy due to their size. Now, you guys, the 48-ounce stainless steel container has been quite successful. Now, I always recommend it for hot soups or even frozen desserts since stainless steel is a good hot and cold conductor. Now, here I'm making a quick strawberry sorbet in it, and it's ready to enjoy right after blending. Alright you guys, now these recommendations should help you build your Vitamix Complete Kitchen. Now please use my links below the video or visit my Vitamix Holiday Shopping webpage and use the links to grab these containers. Your order supports Blending with Henry. Now remember, it's only for 2 days, now these will sell out fast. See you soon.